Hi everyone, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. We're in a different location. Let's see what they have, guys. Okay, so I'm noticing these games. They have so many games here. So this is the ping pong one. And here's another one with the Santa, the penguin. Then you have the novelty glasses. And look at this, a wind-up train set. That's so nice. And here's the gnome erasers. Those are the gnome erasers also. And here's some stampers, some novelty glasses. And along the top here, you have some plasticware. Then over here, I think these are so cool. These chair covers. And then you have, this is a double pack of the plastic containers. So you have the deer, 'tis the season. And then you have this one that says cheer. And you have these blue ones right here. And then this here says peace on earth. You have some more back there with the Christmas tree. And then these are the red bowls and white bowls. So this is a gift bag. All right. So these are platters. I don't know if I seen these last year. Okay. So let's see. This is the snowman platter right there. And then you have some cookie cutters right here. This store is very stocked. I'm so happy. Okay, so here's some more over the covers, over the chair covers. And then here are some pencils all the way up to the top. And the stampers. And then here you have balloons, whack-a-pack. So you have some of those. And then you have some cards. And then what are these? This is the Elf on a Shelf stationery set. And then here you have some stickers. You get 80 stickers. And then here you have the pens and the Go Fish. This is a bell bracelet. And those come in colors. And look at the size of these platters. They're so beautiful, aren't they? Very nice. And you have some more over here. And then you have the paddle ball. I remember this when I was a kid. So you have plenty of those. And then the jumbo erasers. Then along the bottom you have a whole slew of platters. Then these right here shaped like a Christmas tree. And this is a cookie bag. You know, this is the first time I've ever seen a cookie bag. That's pretty nice. And then these are treat bags. So that's the Santa and that's the snowman. And there's the penguin back there. And then these are pencil sharpeners. Isn't that nice? Stocking stuffers. And I'm loving this tie. Merry Christmas. And then these are little treat bags. That's the snowman. And then there's the blue and white snowflakes. And there's Santa. Isn't that cute? Okay, so then you have some smaller tins. These are nice. And the Santa hat, the elf hat right here. Then you have some headbands. And again, along the top over here, you have some plushed animals right here. And you have the headbands. Look at these buffalo check headbands. And then you have the nose. The novelty glasses, and look, the boas. So these buckets right here, I'm loving these buckets. Okay, so these are the tin ones, and then these are the plastic ones that are shaped like a sled. Then you have this white wire basket. I don't know if that was just placed there, but I'm loving these. Aren't these pretty? I love those. Those are a nice size. And then they have, look, the cups to match. I don't think I seen that last year. So they have the cups to match. Then you have these. And look, these are bags shaped like stockings. Isn't that cute? I don't think I've seen that. I don't think I've seen these before. These are nice. This is Santa and the snowman, the gingerbread and the Christmas tree. And the candy canes on the end. Okay, so that's pretty nice. So here we have these stockings. So you have that kind. Oh good, they're all separated. Then you have this kind. Then I'm loving the sequins ones. Then you have this kind right here, and the snowman and the reindeer, and then you have these. This one here is my favorite. Over here you have some solar dancers. So that one is the Santa Claus in this box, and then you have the kid hats. This one here, look, these light up. Oh, look how cute. Okay, and there you have the sequins hats, some socks over here on the end, and those are some stocking holders. I'm surprised they have all this stuff left. Then you have a couple of socks over here on this side. Let's see, let's go around this rack. So these socks are for the little ones. Very nice. Here's Rudolph, and there's Santa and the gingerbread. Okay, so on this side we have more socks. These are for the bigger kids, 6 to 12. The little mini stockings. This one says ho ho ho, and some more stockings along here. So let's see. So we're pretty stocked up on the stockings and everything else. I'm loving these. These are my favorite. Okay, so from what I could see, we have a whole bunch of wrapping paper, and on the end cap over here we have some Christmas cards, some gift boxes. And look at this. Christmas. Look at these bags. These bags are absolutely beautiful. Look at this one. And then that one says joy. And these are some nice size bags. Let me just scan these for you. Look at the size of this one over here. Those are huge bags. Yeah, these are huge bags. Okay, so we have the tissue paper here, and there's the mini bells, the snowflakes, and the little cardinals. Here's the tree toppers and the poinsettia clips. They're 3 in a pack. Okay, and then you have these ornaments right here, the star, and I'm loving those, the Merry Christmas ones. So they still have these guys left, and this is for the mini tree. And I'm absolutely loving these sweater Christmas ornaments. And here are the bells, and those come in multicolor all the way to the top, and there's the sleigh. Okay, so here we have the Santa. We have some more campers left and these bulbs. And then these are new. Well, these are new to this Dollar Tree. Then you have your hooks, some more of the ornaments along the bottom, and I'm absolutely loving these in the white. It's my favorite. Okay, then we have these ornaments left. They're still pretty stocked on everything. Thank goodness. Okay, so here we have the truck, and then we have some wreaths. And these are so nice. Aren't these nice? I'm loving these. So these are pretty thick wood. Then they have the snowman. Here's the house, and then here are some more of those tinsel ornaments. Okay, you have the elf, you have the penguin, the hat, the camper, the stocking, and then they still have a lot of these felt ones left. So there's the elf, the snowman, Santa, the reindeer, and then here's some stakes. Okay, let's look at the stakes for a minute. So you have this Believe reindeer, the snowman, and there's a Christmas tree. I think that's new. And then these Santa ones. A lot of stakes this year. So some of these things are new. Okay. Now here's the jingle all the way, and there's the Let It Snow. The elf made me do it, and there's the ho ho ho. I like that Santa Claus sign. They're so pretty. And then these are the tag signs. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Here's the round ornament sign, Let It Snow and Merry Christmas. Very nice. And then you have the oh, look how nice. Okay, so here's the mason jar. Okay, Happy Holidays. This one has the truck. And this is the Merry Christmas and the Season's Greetings. And these are the little box box wall hangings, warm wishes, let it snow, and believe in the magic of Christmas. And it looks like he's stocking the florals on this side. And you have the tinsel trees, the smaller ones and then the bigger ones. Some more garlands. Aren't these pretty? I love these. Then you have the bows. These are so nice. And the little suction cups. And what are these? Oh, these are magnets. I don't think I've seen these before. Okay, so those are nice. And you have some paper bags over here. Let's see what else is on this end. Okay, so you have some bows and some more headbands that light up. These are so nice. These are LED activated lights, and then here are some more lights. They're so nice. And only one of these placemats left. And then these are the fingertip towels. Here's one of the reindeer, and this red one here has the snowflakes. Okay, so then on this side we have the leftover wreath hangers, the mesh tubing, the chenille stems, and this is what's left, guys, of the ribbon. This is what's left of the ribbon. Some more ribbon down there. Some more of the bulbs you can decorate. Oh, somebody put some pearls over here. Okay, so then you have the glitter foam shapes. And here, look at the size of these bells. Very nice. And I can't even believe they have these wooden stickers left. They have this kind and then they have that kind. Here's some foam scatter. And there's some more ribbon along the bottom. Some more of those craft jars. They moved some coloring books over here. The snow, and those are the little totes, and the craft. The little craft, the coloring for the kids. Okay, guys, so it looks like this is all they have left as far as Christmas, and they have quite a bit left. So, yeah, I'll keep you updated, guys. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.